Jeez, today, punishing myself now. So, as you see, I'm busy climbing. 4x4 mode is activated. This fence, still brand new basically. Especially down there, you can see the color. Still new. Yeah, and I need to go back all the way there. Shut. Okay. And there comes the sun. That's fine. I've got my short sleeve shirt in. Although I don't like to wear a short sleeve in the bushes because there's a tick on you can see it. You're more exposed when you have a short sleeve on. Sun burns you. Yeah.